one day I'll work with Ekta and it'll be like the best thing. I to say it openly, yaar, if there is nepotism and if, you know, I've not struggled. I mean, I feel like destiny has got me to be an actor. I never really set out to be an actor. I have to work with her. I would love to work with her always. Without sounding arrogant, I would say I've never got a bad review in my life. It has to propel me. Then I will say people have taken me seriously. I am not satisfied with anything I do.
The bond of yours and Varun was so crazy. Hi, this is Jaya and you're watching me on Galata India, and today in the episode of Says Unstoppable, we have someone who have done wonders. He's creative, very talented, one and only Riddhi Dogara. Hi Riddhi.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How
Thank you
have
so
you been?
much.
I have seen bits.
Uh-huh.
I've seen bits.
You've seen bits.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Kul is it's unlike me. You know, normally whatever I have done, I've not played a person like Kavya, to be honest.
Okay.
You know, someone who's so, you know, she's just in a bad mood all the time and so angry and hates her brother, and she's just like, you know, I read some review that said that she is definitely depressed and she's walking the line between sanity and insanity.
Yes.
You know, so that's exactly why I played Kavya, because I had not played such a messed up character. And also, you know, the thing about Indian world, our world of content or storytelling is that we tend to humanize everything a woman does. So if a woman is going to be angry, we'll make you believe that something has happened with her, that's why she's angry.
Correct.
But Kavya was one person who was just pissed off.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
And we are all like that.
Correct.
You know, there are times when you know, ऐसा थोड़ी है कि you don't get upset, yeah, I don't get upset, and everything doesn't have to be some tragedy that's happened to us because of which, you know, we are acting crazy, or we are like sort of you know, getting upset over things.
Right.
But with Kavya, that's what I really like, that I have the agency to just be a person. I don't have to explain to my audience why I'm like this.
Right.
So I really enjoyed that, you know.
But you connected in your real life also in that personality?
Not at all.
Correct. It's a rebel kid there. Totally royal wali feeling ekdam.
Yeah. Apart from just the royal feeling, I didn't understand. Honestly, I didn't understand. Her world is very different from
Yes,
mine.
yeah.
Let me just put it that
Right.
way. I'm not saying that what her pain or what her journey was lesser, but I don't get it. You know, I don't get it, and it's very, very far removed from my life and my world and my, you know, the way I think, the way I operate. But yeah, it was a great, sort of look into a world like that, where there's so much privilege.
Correct.
That it can frustrate you.
Right.
You know, that's what I took away. That when you are, you know, when people are told, I feel like that's what I felt when I did this show, that I must say, I don't come from an uber rich background. You know, my parents are upper middle class, and
Correct.
they've worked very hard at
Yes.
what they've done, and, you know, created everything little by little. So when I now look at so many people who are privileged and who probably have all the riches and money and everything, I look at them and I feel like, you know, they don't even get the space to, they can't be, they can't complain.
Right.
We make them feel like you can't complain.
Correct.
The society.
Right.
But they will have 100 things that they will also be miserable about.
Right.
And there is a constant frustration I've seen in such people, where either, you know, they cut off from the world and they are just living their life, or they have to show that they are very grateful.
Right. Right.
Even
Absolutely.
and I feel bad for them.
Correct.
Because of course you are grateful. You don't have to, you know, ये एक pressure है जो उन पे डाल दिया जाता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, where you have to show you are very grateful because you are better than the world and you have it so easy.
Correct.
But that doesn't mean that people will not feel what they're feeling, and they'll not hate that their morning coffee was not perfectly, you know.
I love your accent, by the way. Was not, but I just want to talk to you about the last night story of yours. You just quoted Malika about agency and want to
Yeah.
talk about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's something that's happening a lot. I think it's, she put a story
Yeah.
saying that
She do not
she's seeing her
from-
faces in a lot of rosters and no one is representing her. And I think it was important because I actually got a call from a couple of people, this is not agencies, but I got a call from, people who are probably creating content and putting up a dream. They put up a dream uh, artist
Starcast. Yeah.
cast,
Cast,
yeah. And a lot of people have added my photos
Huh.
in their rosters and
Huh.
said we can get her. And I'm like, of course, my first thing is please remove my name from there because I don't want to play such parts. And second, along that line, I felt it was important for me. Like she said, I will put it every 2 weeks. I also feel I will put it every 2 weeks. That, I am on my own. I'm not with any agency. So please don't put me in decks and rosters just because, I'm around. Call me and take my consent. So
Correct.
that's why I had put it because it sort of gives a wrong, it's not something that concerns the audience, but in the industry, it could give a wrong impression of what
yes,
kind of work
yes.
I want to do.
But have you called out such people's?
I don't need to call out. I
Huh.
mean, somebody had called me and said, we put you on a roster. And I was horrified at what character they had just randomly put my name against. I said, please remove it. So I
Right.
said that to a couple of people.
Yeah.
But I don't know how many more there must be.
Correct.
Like these are few that are calling me. There must be more. So, and it's difficult, like
Right.
I'm not like an A-lister ki, so some people will just believe what they are seeing.
I think you are in the list of A-lister in coming days. You are. Okay, we all are manifesting from here.
Oh, thank you. That means more to me than anything.
But how often you search yourself on Google these days?
I don't search myself on Google, Baba. It's very scary. I don't search myself.
But as an actor, have your choices evolved now?
Yes, of course. As a person, I think my choices have evolved. And I am an actor as good as my choices. Either I go out there and create what I want to do, which I'm constantly trying to do, because there is a certain way I want to portray some roles. I know that there's a lot in me that I want to discover. I want to give to the audience. I want to make the audience feel with me. So yes, there are some things that I want to do, but my choices definitely have been a reflection of the person that I have been. So I mean, in the beginning, if you see, I have always wanted to do strong female-led parts since the beginning. So that was something that probably resonated with me as a Delhi girl. That maybe being a girl who just stepped out of college, started doing her postgrad, just started earning. Maybe I was feeling like I'm, nobody can stop me. I'm a woman. Don't stop a woman from doing. And luckily, I come from a very, very, my family is very supportive and they're very understanding. So very sensible people. I'm very happy. Thank you God for my parents. But so I didn't have to fight that battle. But how a woman perceived in society, मैं वो देख सकती थी because I had all sorts of girlfriends around me and I was seeing the kind of lives they are leading or the choices they are making. So many of them were dependent on other people. I didn't have that. I'm very grateful, but a lot of my friends, I know that they just made choices that were for other people, for family members, for parents, and it was very shocking, you know, because we grew up a certain way, and then suddenly now, the girls who I thought were like wild and untamed are now suddenly doing things which are different and which someone else is telling them to do. So for me, and I can just be like, okay, I'm here, I'm your friend and I'll support you. But I really indirectly, because directly, of course, I can't go and talk to their parents or I can't go and talk to those people and be like, what are you doing? Indirectly, I think from the beginning, I had this in my mind that I want to give this message out to every girl out there ki get up, you know, don't just sit on yourself, you know.
You know, I like the fact you every time whenever I talk to you and you every time just say this thing कि मेरा struggle उतना नहीं रहा है, but I struggle for the roles right now. मेरे को roles के लिए struggle करना है और मैं करती रहूँगी. I like the fact you own it. You know कि मैंने struggle नहीं किया. Otherwise, there are people who keep saying this. यार मेरा struggle है. They are coming from a good background. So I like the fact you just.
I've not struggled. I mean, I feel like destiny has got me to be an actor. I never really set out to be an actor. Of course, I was dramatic and I was expressive and I was a dancer, and that sort of made it very easy for me to do this in front of camera. I think, you know, as luck would have it, I worked in a television channel where I saw all this. I saw camera operators, I saw lights, I saw how people were. So I was not overwhelmed or like, you know, so none of that. So the only thing I was left to do was be in front of camera and just do my work. And then I think, yeah, it was a personal choice. You know, I think having studied a little bit, having seen a little world, thoda, you know, आप घूमे फिरे, travel किए, थोड़े धक्के खाए, not in acting, in life, you know, when you are trying to do a job, you're taking a train, you're making sure 9 o'clock you reach the office at 9, and you have to punch in your card and you have to sit there for the Monday morning meeting. I've done all that, and I'm not saying that's struggle, that's life. And I saw the way, I mean, why did I leave that job? I'll be very honest. I left it because I felt like I wanted to be my own boss, because there were so many things जो मैंने उस समय देखी थी, that it's not just that I'm a woman, I also have to dress a certain way, my shirt button has to be like this, my pants can't be so tight, whereas men in the office or boys, they just came and went as they liked, you know. So for me it started there, that how much a woman has to think, she has to put in 10 times more than a man for a small little thing. You know, so yeah, so I think my struggle was to choose roles which, if I was that office going girl, I would like to see.
Nicely portrayed. I would wanted to ask you that where people were taking you seriously already, but the people have taken more serious after this Jawan and working with Shah Rukh Khan?
Yeah, I think times have changed now, I feel. I mean, it's very nice for you to say, but if it doesn't multiply in the, like, it has to propel me, then I will say people have taken me seriously. And of course, there are lots of things being written right now, very excited about a lot of projects that are in talking stage, writing stage, lots of things which I have my fingers crossed. I think the coming year maybe will be very, very interesting for me as an actor. But I do feel like, you know, we live in a time where there's a lot. There's a lot of content, there are lots of actors, there are a lot of people making stuff, and there's a lot of change. So I do feel like people have taken me seriously, but without sounding arrogant, I would say I've never got a bad review in my life.
Wow.
I haven't.
Because of the roles you have done in the past.
Yeah.
For that.
So for that reason, I feel like they were always taking me seriously. But I do want the people who take me seriously as an actor to cast me. So Mr. Bhansali, cast me.
And you keep going. I was just hearing that you keep doing the auditions, you keep giving it right now.
Yeah.
Or the roles come to you now.
I don't care, you know, I have zero ego. I have good ego, is what I was told. I remember I was doing an acting workshop for a film of mine, and my co-actor, Anshuman Jha, he wrote on my book, he didn't even tell me this. He wrote on that, you have good ego. So I was like, okay, what does that mean? And I think I don't take myself so seriously. So I will do whatever. I am here, I'm an actor. And if I mean, honestly, there are times when I do feel like you don't need to test me because I've done 5 things like this.
Right.
But yes, if you want to test me because you have a particular take on things, I want to be a part of that world.
Yeah.
I want to experience it. And I also feel like auditions or screen tests are a great way for me to be active as an actor.
Correct.
It's scene work at the end of the day. I get to go there and do a scene 5 times. I love it. You know, I'll get to improvise. My brain will tick for half an hour, 1 hour. Oh wow, love it.
You know, for you, it's been 18 years almost in the industry.
What?
Yeah, 18 years.
What are you saying?
Yeah, almost 18 years.
When did I start?
2017, I think 2015.
One
something
second. 2015 से अभी तक 18 years कैसे हो सकते हैं?
Sorry, 2015 नहीं था, उससे पहले आपने start
Yeah,
किया
I
है.
started in
2000, sorry,
So
my
I'll tell you.
maths.
Seriously, when I started acting, like
Yeah.
when I said, you know, this is it,
Yeah.
was 2010. Where I sort of said, oh, I love it. And
Huh.
this is what I want to do for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
So, for me personally, in my mental, you know, space, I say it's 2010. When I got dead serious about acting as a profession.
You know, Ekta Kapoor has changed lots of actors' career. तो आपके लिए what she mean? She's a good friend of yours.
Yes.
Which kind of bond you share? There's a
Yeah.
female friendship we
Yes.
all see.
Yeah, I think with her it's more like I mean I would look at her as a mentor, and I'm very fond of her son. To be honest, that's my thread to Ekta. I love Ravi, and but I think with her I met her later. Like I did my work with her for OTT. I never worked with her or had the privilege of working on a Balaji set. I was honestly very scared. So because I thought, because I'd heard so many stories of how they work, and I was very scared that I don't think I'll be able to do this. And I always used to tell, you know, now my friends tell me that you used to say that, you know, one day I'll work with Ekta and it'll be like the best thing. And I think we did it in Married Woman. That's when we started. And Married Woman is definitely one of my, it's a show I'm most proud of. I'm so proud. I was just traveling. I was out of the country, and I was so proud of that show that that's the first thing I showed to, you know, the people in that country. I was like, you know, watch my show with subtitles, and they loved it. So yeah, I'm very, very proud of the opportunities she's given me, and I to say it openly, yaar, if there is nepotism and if you know I have to work with her, I would love to work with her always, because she works with outsiders. She's a boss lady. She takes decisions. She knows the pulse of the audience. There's no one sitting on her head. It's all her. So it's a
Boss
very,
vibes she gives.
and as a woman, it's lovely, you know,
Yes,
to work
yes.
with a woman like that.
You learn so many things, you know. Whenever you come across, whenever I meet her, I feel like, यार ऐसा बनना है, यार. The boss lady things,
absolutely.
you know.
Learn so much from her, even if you hang around her for like 10 minutes. You'll pick up so many things from her. So yeah, I'm very grateful. I've done a lot of work with her now. अब आगे का पता नहीं, लेकिन अभी तक जितना भी किया, I'm very proud of it.
You know, you love films. I know this. You are a good critics also. आप कहती भी हैं आप हमेशा कि मैं अगर ये नहीं करती मैं film critics बन सकती हूँ बहुत आराम से. You watch one film twice, thrice. एक दिन में आप 3 फिल्म देख लेती हैं, हाँ, अलग-अलग genres के. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कोई अपनी फिल्म के बारे में बताइए जो आपको लगता है कि आप बेटर कर सकती थी.
मेरा तो सारा काम मुझे लगता है मैं बेटर कर सकती थी. I am not satisfied with anything I do. I am not, like, you know, even when we shoot, I've never seen the monitor because I feel like I will ask for 50 retakes. So I just look at my director's face. If my director is even a slight bit looking, mostly they tell me, but yeah, for me that is it. If my director is happy and the director says moving on, you know, take, done, got it, then I feel like I've done it, because my endeavor हर सेट पे यही होता है, हर कैरेक्टर के साथ यही होता है कि मैं उस मोमेंट में सब कुछ दे दूँ, जो भी मैं दे सकती हूँ, जो मुझसे पॉसिबल है, जो मुझसे मांगा जा रहा है, whether it's the director, the writer, my co-actors, whatever it is, you know, can I give everything? And if I've given everything and the director's received it and he's okay with it, then I would like to move on. Then I don't really sit, because I know I'll find so many faults that we will not shoot only beyond this. We'll keep shooting this scene. So I'm a little different like that. I don't like to see my work.
But you don't see your films?
I do see. It's not that I don't. Now I've started seeing, but yeah, it's not easy for me to see.
But how was it sharing with the screen with Shah Rukh Khan?
Oh wow! It was as dreamy as you can imagine it to be. Like, all of 90s dream sequences were in my head, and then he went and called me beta.
Wow.
And I was like, ये किस level का inception हो रहा है मेरे साथ. I am dressed as an old woman. He's playing my son and he's calling me beta. And I'm like, no, this is all wrong. Wake me up from this.
That's cute. But one of my personal question is that, you know, I love Batamiz Dil and the
Oh,
your
man,
role, and there are fans who are waiting for this season. कोई update है?
Me too.
You know,
I'm
the
also
bond
waiting.
of yours and Barun was so crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, कुछ update है?
I don't know. I hope it gets made. It's out there, and you know, fingers crossed. It's Amazon and it's Ekta, and I hope they get excited about making it because we did. It's written like that. It is.
Yeah.
It can definitely go into a season 2, and very interesting ideas that I had heard them have about season 2.
Wow.
So I just have my fingers crossed that we get to do it.
Yeah, please keep updated us.
100%.
Yes.
100%.
And I would like to end this conversation here. Thank you so much for talking to me. It was
You're
lovely
welcome.
chatting with you as always. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.